So we have the EL zone system, which is showing overexposed. So we are going to turn down so if you can see EL zone system, I used the gray card to check it. Gray is 18%. Gray is 18%. Yellow is, dark yellow is a half stop over, and green is a half stop under. So we have that. I am controlling the lights from the app, from the NANLITE app. I have control over two lights. The top-down light, and we also have control over the PavoSlim over there, which is adding some color. I also have green. Let's jack this up a little bit. So it shows green, and gray. So hopefully that's good. Should be good. So this is my very first video in the YouTube studio. We are in the spare bedroom. We have two cameras, one camera there, FX6, and one camera up there, which is the Sony FX30. We are recording with two cameras plus a